Welcome to Icefire channel. Join us to find out how to create an effective daily work plan for you. Creating an effective daily work plan is essential for maximizing productivity and managing tasks efficiently. As an AI language model, I don't have personal preferences or needs, but I can provide you with a guide on how to structure a daily work plan to make the most of your time and achieve your goals. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the steps to create an effective daily work plan, including goal setting, prioritization, time management, and flexibility. Start by defining your goals and objectives for the day. What do you want to accomplish? Having clear goals in mind will give your work plan direction and purpose. Ensure that your daily goals align with your long-term objectives and overall priorities. Once you have established your daily goals, prioritize your tasks based on urgency and importance. The Eisenhower matrix is a useful tool for prioritization. Divide your tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Focus on tasks that fall into the first category as a priority. Compile a comprehensive to-do list of all the tasks you need to complete during the day. List both professional and personal tasks to ensure nothing is overlooked. Having a well-organized to-do list will help you stay on track and prevent tasks from slipping through the cracks. Assign timeframes to each task on your to-do list. Be realistic about how long each task will take, and avoid overloading yourself with too many tasks in a limited time. Giving yourself adequate time to complete tasks reduces stress and enhances productivity. Time blocking involves dedicating specific time slots for different tasks or categories of tasks. Allocate blocks of time for focused work, breaks, meetings, and personal activities. Time blocking helps you maintain discipline and prevent distractions. Incorporate buffer time into your daily work plan to account for unforeseen events or tasks that take longer than expected. Buffer time provides flexibility and prevents your schedule from becoming too rigid. Identify your peak productivity hours, which are the times when you feel most focused and energized. Schedule your most important and challenging tasks during these hours to make the most of your productivity. Identify potential distractions and create strategies to minimize them. This might include silencing notifications, setting specific times for checking emails and social media, or creating a dedicated workspace. Group similar tasks together and tackle them in batches. For example, answer all emails at once or make phone calls consecutively. Batching tasks improves efficiency by reducing context switching. At the end of each day, review your accomplishments and assess whether you achieved your daily goals. Take note of any tasks that remain incomplete and consider if they should be carried over to the next day or reprioritized. Use this review to adjust and optimize your future daily work plans. While having a structured daily work plan is beneficial, it's essential to remain flexible. Unexpected events or urgent tasks may arise, requiring you to adjust your schedule. Embrace flexibility and adapt your plan as needed to maintain productivity and meet changing demands. Incorporate self-care activities into your daily work plan. Taking breaks, engaging in physical activity, and practicing mindfulness can enhance focus and overall well-being, leading to increased productivity. Creating an effective daily work plan involves setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, and managing time efficiently. A well-organized to-do list, time blocking, and buffer time are essential components of a successful work plan. Being mindful of distractions, capitalizing on peak productivity hours, and staying flexible contribute to achieving daily goals and maintaining overall productivity. By consistently implementing these strategies, you can make the most of your time and work towards accomplishing your objectives effectively. Thank you for watching the Icefire channel. I wish you a good day.